Okay, hello, Sister Visari. Good evening and welcome back to the class. Hi.
Hello, bro. Good evening.
Hey, so I think no one will come, right? Because maybe I've been waiting for around it's 8 minutes. Oh kok nggak ada nih tumben nih kayak gitu atau karena saya mulainya kebiasaan agak telat kayak gitu. So jadi ternyata ada Sister Visari ini baru join.
Yeah.
Hey, so maybe I'll show you first ya, while waiting for the others is Novisari. Kita bisa mulai dulu sambil tunggu yang lain. So, as usual, let's open it first by praying together. Praying begin. Okay. Finish. Thank you so much, Just Novisari, by the way, and I'm going to show you the lessons of us tonight. This one. Okay, so tonight at day 16 we are talking about watch and retell. Jadi kita akan nonton video nantinya dan teman-teman diminta untuk menceritakan kembali nantinya ya seperti itu apa yang teman-teman dapatkan dari videonya. But before that, we're gonna jump into this one first. Today's goal using the ability of understanding visual events. Jadi teman-teman di sini menggunakan kemampuan memahami, acara secara atau tontonan secara visual dan juga sharing what's been watched, apa yang sudah ditonton seperti itu, teman. Okay. So let's jump into the next slide. But before that, we have this one, sis. Okay, talking about one of the historical person, mungkin ya tokoh sejarah. I don't know her before. Saya juga belum tahu kayak gitu sebelumnya siapa. Anna Sullivan Messi ini, okay, but we are going to read it together here ya. Kita akan coba baca bersama-sama di sini. Anna Sullivan Messi, okay. Itu namanya born as Johanna Mansfield Sullivan. Atau dilahirkan sebagai dengan namanya yaitu Johanna Mansfield Sullivan dan terkenalnya Anna Sullivan Messi di sini. Okay, April 14, 1866 atau 1866 lahirnya. Dan juga beliau meninggal pada tanggal Oktober 20 atau 20 Oktober dan juga 1936 atau 1936. Was an American teacher best known for being the instructor or lifelong companion of Helen Keller. Okay, atau ya ini adalah guru terbaik yang dikenal kayak gitu ya sebagai seorang instruktur dan juga di sini lifelong companion atau yang paling setia menemani ya gitu Helen Keller di sini. Okay. At the age of 5, by the way. Jadi ketika dia umurnya 5 tahun, Sullivan contracted trauma kayak gitu. Itu mengalami sebuah what is that? It's a kind of trahum ya. If do you know trahum by the way, Sis Novisari?
Yeah,
Atau
cannot see clearly.
yeah, it's not a minus, but it's a kind of like the illness of eye, like that ya, eye disease atau penyakit mata di sini, which left her partially blind. Oke, yang mana itu menyebabkan di sini jadi dia itu mungkin sedikit buta kayak gitu ya, nggak tuntas atau nggak sempurna dalam melihat kayak gitu. And here without reading or writing skills. Dan dia itu maksudnya ditinggalkan dengan kondisi mata seperti itu, dia buta dan juga tanpa bisa membaca dan juga menulis. Tidak memiliki kemampuan tersebut. She received her education as a student of the Perkins School for the Blind. Oke, jadi dia itu menerima pendidikannya sebagai seorang mahasiswa di sekolah Perkins kayak gitu ya untuk mungkin khusus orang-orang buta seperti itu. Soon after a graduation at age 20, jadi ketika dia sudah lulus pada umur 20 tahun, she became a teacher to Keller. Dia menjadi guru untuk Keller di sini ya, yang orang. In 1932, Keller and Sullivan were each awarded honorary fellowships from the Educational Institute of Scotland. Jadi pada tahun 1932 Keller dan juga Sullivan itu saling mendapatkan masing-masing mendapatkan sebuah penghormatan fellowship. It's a new for me, by the way. Wait a minute, I'll check it first. Sebentar.
Fellowship, we call it postdoc.
Postdoc? Oh, it's a kind of scholarship ya, atau beasiswa ya sis ya, benar nggak? As you know, it's a kind of scholarship atau secara kehormatan mendapatkan sebuah beasiswa from the Educational Institute of Scotland atau institusi pendidikan di Skotlandia. They were also awarded honorary degrees from the Temple University. Mereka juga dihadiahi kayak gitu ya, secara sebagai bentuk penghormatan yaitu berupa gelar, degrees from the Temple University dari Universitas Temple. In 1955, Keller was awarded an honorary degree from Harvard University. Dan pada tahun selanjutnya, Keller itu dihadiahi sebuah penghormatan atau sebuah titel, sebuah what is that? Tadi degree itu adalah
Degree.
Ini. What is that? Degree kok saya tiba-tiba lupa nih bahasa Indonesia degree.
Honorary degree.
Atau sebuah ini gelar penghormatan nih ya dari Universitas Harvard. And 1956 dari 1956 the director's cottage at the Perkins School was named the Keller Macy Cottage. Oke, jadi pada tahun 1956 jadi seorang direktur dari tempat belajar itu dan tempat penginapan itu bisa cottage kayak gitu ya. At the Perkins School was named the Keller Macy Cottage. Di cottage yang ada di sekolah tersebut atau tempat singgah itu dinamai sebagai Keller Macy Cottage untuk sebuah penghormatan terhadap mereka seperti itu. Okay, so and then for the next year in 2003 atau 2003 Sullivan I was born on this one ya. Dia udah dapat banyak Hall of Fame, saya baru lahir. Okay, Sullivan was inducted into the National Women's Hall of Fame. Jadi Sullivan itu ditunjuk kayak gitu ya, atau dinobatkan sebagai untuk menjadi wanita nasional di Hall of Fame atau yang kita kenal dengan penghargaan di suatu negara kayak gitu ya, Hall of Fame yang dikenal seperti itu. This one about Anna Sullivan Macy, or born as Johanna Mansfield Sullivan. Okay, and then talking about Keller, related with Keller atau berhubungan dengan Keller tadi, Helen Keller. Helen Keller is in full, Helen Adams Keller, born June 27th, 1880, to Cumbia, Alabama, US. Died June 1st, 1968, Westport and Connecticut. Nah, jadi Helen Keller itu yang nama lengkapnya adalah Helen Adams Keller, dilahirkan 27 Juni 1980 di Tuscumbia, Alabama, Amerika Serikat, dan meninggal pada tahun 1968 tanggal 1 Juni. Westport and Connecticut, di daerah Westport sana ya. American author and educator who was blind and deaf. Dan juga di sini dia itu adalah seorang penulis Amerika atau juga pendidik ya, pendidik di Amerika who was blind and deaf, yang mana dia itu buta dan juga, if I'm not mistaken, is a tuli ya. Deaf is tuli or bisu, by the way, as you know. Is deaf means, tuli, right? Yeah, it's a tuli, by the way, Francis. And her education and training represent an extraordinary accomplishment in the educations of persons with these disabilities. Okay, dan pendidikannya dan juga pelatihannya itu mewakili sebuah pelengkap accomplishment yang sangat luar biasa dalam pendidikannya sebagai seorang dengan disabilitas tersebut. Helen Keller in full, Helen Adam Keller's born blah blah blah, American author and educator who is blind and deaf. Her education and training represent an extraordinary accomplishment in the education of persons with disabilities. Only repeating the word, by the way, friends. Okay, I didn't expect, by the way, that only you will join it. Saya kira bakalan ada yang datang nyusul kayak gitu sih. Sorry, but here our friends Bro Halim nggak bisa katanya karena ada ini ya, ada lembur dan ternyata baru cuman si Sofi Sari aja nih. I don't know where is the others. Okay, it's really
Yeah,
okay.
maybe they are busy, bro.
So don't you text sis Vivi maybe biasanya kayaknya akrab banget sis Novisari sama sis Vivi mungkin oh nih panjang umurnya nih sis Vivi nih baru aja kita omongin ya. Oke. Oke, wait kita tunggu sis Vivi di sini. Wait. Halo sis Vivi.
Sorry, bro. Yeah, I'm late. I have just arrived.
Okay, yeah, it's
I have
really
just
okay.
arrived.
I thought that sis Novisari only the joiners here, but just now we have just talked about
Oh,
you, by the way,
wait.
Sis Vivi. Baru aja ngomongin tentang Sis Vivi, ternyata tiba-tiba langsung Sis Vivi muncul kayak gitu ya. Padahal
What
saya
did
baru
you
tanya
talking about?
Okay.
Huh? What did you talk about me?
No. I just asked Sis Novisari that don't you text Sis Vivi maybe because you both really close, right? Kayaknya deket banget kayak gitu dan ternyata tiba-tiba langsung muncul Sis Vivi langsung connect.
Iya, udah sehati pokoknya.
Okay, I see. Okay, that's very good. By the way, Sis Vivi, today we are talking
Yeah.
about watch and retell. Kita akan berbicara tentang menonton dan juga menjelaskan kembali, kayak gitu ya. Okay, so we're gonna watch the video. Kita akan nonton videonya dan nanti teman-teman diminta untuk menjelaskan kembali from that video. But before that, talking about this, we have talked about some of two people or two historical people in US. They are an author and the teacher as well, teacher and students, I can say. Okay, but they have some disabilities, but they can get a lot of degrees. Okay, they can get a lot of title as well. Banyak banget titelnya yang mereka dapatkan walaupun dalam kondisi disabilitas seperti itu ya. Mereka dikenal sebagai yang pertama tadi adalah di sini Anna Sullivan Massey or born as Johanna Mansfield Sullivan, or she is as a teacher or educator of Helen Keller atau sebagai pendidik dari Helen Keller. And then di sini ada Helen Keller-nya sebagai author and educator who was blind and deaf, yang mana dia itu buta dan juga tuli.
Oh.
Tapi dia bisa menjadi seorang penulis seperti itu. Okay,
wow.
So we're gonna watch the video right now, Sis Vivi and Sis Novisari. Kita akan tonton videonya dan teman-teman. Oh yeah, I will show you this one first. Points to tell-nya dulu ya, teman-teman ya. It's depend on your version. You have to tell the title and characters, siapa main charactersnya, setting, place, year, and or era. And talking about the plots, di sini intro, problem, climax, and resolutions, moral value, and then recommended for. Dan maksudnya ini direkomendasikan untuk siapa? Kira-kira kalangan youth atau pemuda atau justru orang-orang dewasa atau semua kalangan seperti itu. Jadi poin-poin ini yang harus teman-teman sampaikan nantinya ya. Okay, so I think you can write down it while you watch the video, Francis. Jadi bisa sambil menulis atau mencatat juga boleh. Jadi ini yang akan teman-teman sampaikan nantinya. But without this one ya, jadi langsung teman-teman bikin kalimat aja sampaikan berdasarkan your version, by the way, Francis. Okay, so we're gonna watch the video right now. I'll show you. Enjoy the video ya, Francis ya. Selama menikmati videonya dan kita akan.
Ada diam.
Maybe can
Bro
I
Yahya, please open the subtitle ya.
Oh, oke.
Is it okay,
Nggak,
bro?
ini boleh, tapi kan maksudnya biasanya subtitlenya bisa muncul cuman Inggrisnya aja atau bahkan emang yang pengaturannya dari videonya nggak ada seperti itu. But I'll try. Kalau ada saya akan tunjukkan seperti itu ya, Season Bisaria.
Yeah.
I'll try to. Oh, ini subtitlenya saya aktifin ya. Nah, ini nih sudah nih. Right now, please pay. You can enjoy the video.
Hanya dalam 60 detik.
Baru Sunsilk Active Infusion dengan argan oil, sambal protein, dan vitamin E, formula yang menutrisi hingga ke
Helen. Helen, stop! Helen!
Stop it, Helen.
Why'd she stick her fingers in my mouth?
'Cause she bet you talking all day when she can't hear nothing.
If she can't hear it, then how she know talk coming out of my mouth? I think she trying to talk. Now she going crazy, eating herself.
Stop that. Helen, stop it. Helen, stop it.
Help! 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 They're trying to kill us! She's trying to kill us again!
Helen?
Helen, stop it. Stop it. Okay, give Mother the scissors. Helen, give Mother the scissors. Helen. Okay. There now. Okay. It's my pretty girl, huh?
Well, Father, I hope you got your story ready.
What story is that?
The one you're gonna tell when the little savage kills somebody. Your Honor, I had no idea that poor deaf and dumb child could be so violent.
Your sister is none of your concern, James. Don't you have some occasion you need to dress for?
Why don't I ever meet any of your young friends, James?
How can I invite people here?
But surely your friends don't think that Helen is any reflection on you.
Well, Helen is the real head of this house. She's probably just pretending she can't speak or hear, so she don't have to answer to anyone.
Your jealousy of that helpless child is intolerable.
Auntie?
Maybe I will skip the video later branches ya. Jadi nggak akan semua yang kayak 1,5 jam. Bakalan sampai malam nantinya branches. So, jadi nanti mungkin akan saya skip ya teman-teman ya. Or I will make it faster as well.
Oh, well, here we are. Here's Father and Aunt.
Could do would be to find a sanitarium in a beautiful spot where she would be
No.
taken care of.
No, never.
Oh, she tore off my buttons.
It's eyes. She wants the doll. She wants the doll to have eyes.
I'm sorry, Evelyn. Just tell me what it'll cost to have the buttons replaced, and
I know she does.
Oh, don't mind about that. What are a couple of buttons if it makes Helen happy? I'll sew them on if you like.
Is that what you're trying to do? Make Helen happy? Nothing makes her happy. Everything you give her only makes her worse.
She can have these little things that make her happy.
Oh, Helen! Helen! Listen, you cannot do things like that, okay?
Why? She can have the little things that make her happy.
If you won't send her away,
It's okay.
then we must find some way of confining her.
What, you want to lock her away in the attic like some sort of mad woman? She wants to talk.
All right. I'll write to Dr. Chisholm.
Dr. Chisholm could do nothing for the girl and referred them to Dr. Alexander Graham Bell. As the girl is young and the parents are not willing to send her to us,
I have put you up for the role of governess.
Governess. Or nurse.
I used to be a corporate lawyer.
I was a housewife.
I was a lecturer.
I took the courage to switch career.
I used to swing you through the air. You weren't even 2 years of age yet. I wonder if you remember any of that. Or any of us. Here you are. There's a piece of candy for you.
You want your mama, don't you, Missy? Captain Keller wouldn't like this if he saw it, but what's one little candy gonna hurt?
What's that, sir? Ma'am?
Miss Sullivan?
Yes.
I'm James Keller.
I had a brother, Jimmy. Are you Helen's?
Half-brother. You have a trunk?
Yes.
Henry, Hussey. Come on, Miss Sullivan.
Miss Sullivan. I'm so relieved. We were beginning to get a little bit worried about you.
The man who sold me that ticket ought to be tied to the tracks.
I'm Catherine Keller. I'm Helen's mother.
You didn't bring Helen. I was hoping you would.
Well, her father wanted to spend the afternoon with her, actually. They so enjoy their time together.
Kate, you should be ashamed. Miss Sullivan, you'll find it in the South we make up these little stories just to amuse each other. I hope you won't mind.
How much can a... James, why do you have to be so mean about Helen?
What, to confirm my father's view of me, of course.
Ngajar ya, ini tau si Ana Sultan. It's on true story.
Yes, yes. All right
then, Helen. Doll will be your first word. It's as good as any. D. O. L. L. Doll. Doll. It has a name. D. O. L.
Thank you, Henry. Thank you, Puss. So what was that? Some sort of game?
It's an alphabet for the deaf. Each letter has a sign. D. O. L. L. Doll. First, she will learn to imitate D. O.
Oh, she can imitate things, all right. Like a regular little monkey.
A bright little monkey. T.
I think she wants her doll back.
She can have it back when she spells. L. Very good, Helen. Very good. Good first lesson. Very well done. Very well done. Let me out, you wicked girl. Helen. Oh. Oh, I wondered if she was bright. She's the brightest one in this house.
Where's Miss Annie?
She's in her room.
Didn't anyone call it? Not in the house, 10 minutes. Honestly, I don't see how you managed it.
I'll look for the key, sir.
Thank you. Just don't look in any rooms that can be locked. All right, everyone, excitement's over. Would it be possible?
I better leave the LADDER.
Alhamdulillah banyak pesanan martabak. Frisian Flex susu kental manis Gold dulu.
This is absurd.
Arthur, I am sure that she is only trying to do what is best.
I will not have my house turned into a circus. Unless there's a change in attitude, Miss.
I failed. It's no use trying to protect or speak for other people. Not really. The only hope is to teach them to do it for themselves. That's what I'm trying to do with Helen. What you demand of her now is all she'll ever be. Step. Captain?
Can't sleep, Annie. There are rats.
I never thought that life could be so quiet.
Can't we live somewhere else?
We don't have anywhere else, Jimmy.
Please, can I sleep with you?
Just for tonight.
Hush, little baby, don't say.
Bob? Hello, Francis. James? Yep. Thought I'd come take a look around.
Well, we had an idea last year and tried something. And it looks like 20...
I do know. It's my main concern.
Well, you've done wonders for her. And you've done us a great service. I've actually missed her. I owe that debt to you.
Pay it to Helen, Captain. Give her another week.
Now, look what you've done for her already. She's well behaved. She seems quite contented. Certainly cleaner.
She's cleaner? Is that what you care about? She's learning to talk, Captain. The words are in her fingers already. I can't risk her unlearning it when she goes back to her old life in the house.
Oh, look. What is she spelling?
Water.
Miss Sullivan, that dog doesn't know what words are any more than she does. The dog's happy enough, though. God may not have...
Oh, what I wanted to give you, Helen. Everything in the earth, everything that we are, what we dream of, what we leave behind, what we think and feel and know and share, it's all in words. Oh, if I could give you one word, I could give you everything. Wool. It means this. Chair. Napkin. Dress. Face.
Beda lauk, beda racikan. Pakai bumbu racik.
Oh. Oh. So good. Oh. Jimmy! Jimmy!
Sweet child. Miss Sullivan must be a wonder.
Miss Sullivan, I've brought you your first month's salary. You've done quite a job. You've taken a wild thing and given us back a child.
I taught Helen one thing. No. Don't do this. Don't do that. I wanted to teach her, yes.
Well, you'll have all the time you need now.
Will you help me, Captain?
Yes, how?
Don't undo what I've done.
Is that right, James?
Pickles, Aunt Eve?
I should say so. You know my opinion of your pickles.
Well, this is the last of them, I'm afraid. I didn't put up nearly enough last summer, but...
No. Your mother's not here. Pump. Bush. Flower.
Captain! Mrs. Keller, come quickly! She knows! Mrs. Keller!
She knows. She knows. Mother. Yes, teacher. I love Helen so much. So much.
Okay, so that's the video, Francis. Ternyata panjang banget ya teman-teman ya. But it's really interesting. I've just watched that video. I just realized that the video talk about the two historical person that we or two historical people, what I mean, and the previous text that we learn ya. Jadi dua tokoh yang tadi kita pelajari ternyata videonya tentang itu. Saya baru nyadar juga ternyata setelah lihat videonya. Teman-teman. Okay, so right now let's back into the lessons right now, Francis. I think you have already know. Maybe you can retell about the video that you have watched, and then right now you have to retell it, what you got, and using some aspects, yeah, or some points that you have to show me and show to your friends as well here. Okay, who wants to start it first? Francis, silahkan. Teman-teman, siapa yang ingin mulai dulu nih? Sanvisari or Sis Vivi?
Yeah, let me try to answer
Okay.
it first.
Is it was it interesting, by the way, the videos, is Sanvisari?
Yeah, this is really interesting movie, yeah. And this movie touches our feeling, yeah.
Yeah, it's so
Yeah.
touch, sangat-sangat menyentuh ya. It's touching or it touch you. Okay, so I give you the time right now, Sister Visari. Start, yeah, the first members want to tell or retell about the story of Helen Keller using the points below. Okay,
Yeah,
so right now
thank you.
I'll give you the time, Sister Visari.
Yeah, thank you, bro. The title of this movie is The Miracle Worker. So the character of this movie actually, this is story about teacher and student. The student is a young girl. Her name is Helen. He is a blind and different girl, and also she is temperamental, I think, the character of her. And then for the teacher is Anna. Anna, her teacher. Anna, I think this is true story based on the the small reading that we have read before, yeah. I think this is based on true story, and the two character in this movie is really interesting and touching our feeling. Yeah. So if I saw the setting of the movie, I think this movie was
Or
took
the
place,
movie
yeah,
took place.
took place
You don't
in
need to
US.
put the was, by the way. Nggak perlu
Oh,
pakai
okay.
took
So
place.
the movie took place in USA, and also maybe based on the dress, the story was happened in 18th years, tahun 1800-an. Is that correct to say it's 18th year?
You can go with sorry, you can go with 18th, or you can go with this one, 1080 800 ada S-nya, jadi 1800-an.
Yeah, 1800. And then based on the plots, I think the introduction, this is the story about the family who have a young girl, with the condition she is blind and deaf, yeah, deaf, and she is quite temperamental. So in the beginning, she is hard to communicate with other people around her, and nobody is not able, yeah, nobody is not able to try to make her climb, and no one can understand her how to communicate with people around her. So this is one of the kind of problem. So because nobody can understand her, and then after that her family, I think because he is from rich family, so that her father can hire someone to teach her to be able to communicate with people around her. In the first time, Anne coming to Helen family house, it was really struggling to communicate with Helen, and also to make Helen can be climbed, because maybe there is no one can teach her how to interact with other around her. So step by step, one by one, she tried to teach Helen how to communicate with people, and she trained Helen how to spell, how to use sign communications. So in the first word that she wanted to teach to Helen about doll. So she trained Helen how to say doll using sign. Even it is struggling to teach her, but Anna, I think she is a good teacher here. Her role is really significant and important to improve Helen communication with other people. So by the time finally Anne can teach Helen how to communicate with people, and then Helen can use sign to spell the thing around her. So this is a big improvement that Helen got after she was taught by Anne as her teacher. So I think Helen can make the connection that the word Anne has been spelling in her head, and then she also can imitate how to use it. So this is a big progress how Helen can communicate with people around her. I think this is the main story about this movie. And then the moral value from this movie, communication with people is important. I know we are not perfect person, but we try to understand people around us. So if someone has disability, better we have to try to understand them, to understand him or her, how we can still interact with them. So this is the moral value that I can get from this movie. So we have to respect each other, even they have disability, but actually they also want to communicate and interact with us. And I think this movie is recommended for family, family. So if we have time with family, we can spend together with our family to watch this movie. I think that's all from me, bro. Retelling
Okay,
about
thank you.
this movie. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Sis Novisari. Yeah, that's true, by the way. And maybe for the next right now, Sis Vivi first, your turn to tell about that.
Me. Wait a minute. Tadi plot-plotnya mana sih tulisannya?
Oh, ini.
Oh, ini.
Ada.
Okay. Thank you for the time. I would like to explain it maybe about the movie, about the Helen Keller, a young Helen Keller. Yeah, the title of the movie is The Miracle Worker. The Miracle Worker, yes. And the character main in that movie is Helen Keller, a young girl, and Anna Sullivan and his mother and her mother. Yeah, actually, and her family, her dad, her grandma, and her brother. Yeah. Setting the place in, I think it's in the UK, British. And the year era in 1960. 1660 ya, tahun 60-an. 16, yeah. And about the plot, I think I do not to explain the long story. I just tell about the plot, intro, problem, and climax and resolution. Yeah, for the plot, and that movie tells about young Helen Keller, blind and deaf since infancy due to a severe illness. She is frustrated and angry by her inability to communicate and subject to frequent uncontrollable yang tak terkendali ledakan emosi. Uncontrollable, frequent uncontrollable, unable to deal with her terrified and helpless parents, contact to Parkin School, right? Perkin School for the Blind for assistance. And thank God, in response, they sent Anna Sullivan, a former student, to the Keller home as a tutor. For the Anna Sullivan, a battle of will ensues as Anna breaks down Helen's walls of silence and darkness through persistent love and sheer stubbornness. And yeah, she is teaching Helen to make a connection between her hand signs and the objects in Helen's world for which they stand. Yeah, it's the plot of that film, which is to tell about the true story about the life of Anna Sullivan. Actually, this film tells about the biography about Anna Sullivan, and yeah, and the moral value, I think. Wait a minute. And the moral value, everyone, in my opinion, everyone has the opportunity to learn, even though he is disabled. Yeah, from every persistence and effort to learn, God will bring the right person as a way to learn. In this world, there are people like Anna Sullivan who have high empathy and believe that her effort will succeed in overcoming the inability of disabled person. Yeah, and therefore be sure for that. And this movie very, very good to be recommended to any generation, actually any generation, because it's tells about the good moral in that. Okay, by the way, Bro Yaya, it's enough for me about the miracle of the miracle worker. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you so much, Sivi. So right now, Francis is Ofisari. Oh, it's not Francis, yeah, it's only Sis here. So by the way, I'll try to retell the story as well about Helen Keller, yeah, using the some points below here. I'll try to show my versions as maybe the point that I got after watching that video. And as we know that the title of that video is talking about the miracle of worker or the miracle worker. Okay, and then the main characters here, the educators and then the students, like maybe says Novisari said like that. The educators over there was the educators were says Anna, yeah, or Miss Anna, we can say, and then the students or the main character is what is that? Helen Keller, okay, the main character over there, and then yeah, as we know that the character of over there, Helen Keller, is a young, yeah, it's a young girl, okay, the young girl that couldn't see or blind and she couldn't hear anything because she is deaf, kayak gitu ya, karena dia itu tuli teman-teman. So like that, and then the characters of say Miss Anna Sulfian kayak gitu. The character of Miss Anna Sulfian, she was a really passionate, by the way, to teach, by the way, over there. And talking about the settings, yeah, I know that that video took place in environment or the kingdom environment atau di kayak di lingkungan kerajaan ya teman-teman. And about the specific year or era, I'm not really understand kayak ya, or I don't really understand about that. I couldn't get the year or the era over there. And then the plots, okay, the plots here, Francis. The intro, by the way, at the time, yeah, we know that that kingdom family, they have the problems with one of their child who is blind and deaf, kayak gitu ya, who was blind and deaf as well. And then actually their parents gave up, by the way, to handle her, Helen Keller, so that they hire one of the best educators, maybe, yeah, that we, as we know, Anna Sulfian or Miss Anna Sulfian over there. And Miss Anna Sulfian was welcomed so warm, by the way. Jadi mereka sangat disambut dengan sangat hangat kayak gitu ya, teman-teman. And then after that, she was brought, okay, or she was took from the, like, maybe what is that, railway station to the kingdom environment, to there. And then about the main problems over there is a big case. They want, or the family wanted to start or wanted to teach the Helen Keller to know, or the way how to handle it, because yeah, as we know, because she couldn't see and she deaf, yeah, she was a kinda, or she's quiet temperament, yeah, no one can handle her, and no one could handle her, by the way, Francis over there. And that video about the climax, yeah, the climax of that story, after teaching for a long time, maybe day by day, and the family was giving up, yeah, was giving up because they couldn't see the progress of Elder Kellen, and they wanted to I mean, like, cut off or break their labor with Miss Anna Sophian over there. And then the climax, until Sis Anna Sophian said to the father, or to the king over there, that she asked him to not undo their labor, atau kerjasamanya kayak gitu ya, because she believed that she could, okay, she could handle the problem, she could handle the Helen Keller with the disabilities that she has. And then until the resolutions, for a long time, she struggled for that, until she believed that she has, or she had earned some progress, Francis. Jadi sudah mendapatkan banyak proses di situ ya, until she could handle her, or and then she felt that Helen Keller believed in her, that she wanted to learn together, to learn about the sign language, or know some of the words, or some of the things, stuff using the sign language over there. And until the resolutions is talking about that, she believed, yeah, I mean, like, Helen Keller believed in Miss Anna Sulfian, until over there she could know some of the vocab, or using the sign language that she learned, or she taught to Helen Keller, until that the moral value over there, I can say that the persistence and the patience, yeah, can pay off as well, Francis, bisa membayar tuntas lah kayak gitu, teman-teman. And then we have something that we need to learn. Of course, all of the people, even though they are or they have some disabilities, they have the same opportunity or occasions to have the same educations like that, untuk pendidikan yang sama seperti itu, but using the other ways. So that the moral value over there, we have to be grateful as a maybe normal people here, and we can learn from the Helen Keller, that she wanted to learn, she struggled, okay, beside the Miss Anna taught her so patience, or passionately, dan sangat sabar kayak gitu, teman-teman. And of course, the point of the moral value that I can get from that video is about the persistence, okay, persistence, and then the patience and pay off our struggle kayak gitu ya. Jadi kegigihan dan juga rasa sabar itu bisa membayar tuntas usaha kita kayak gitu, teman-teman. and this video recommended for all of the family. It's not only for the yacht, of course, for the mature, the adults, because they can watch it together and then they can learn some of moral value over that on that video, by the way. Okay, so jadi sama saja ya kurang lebih. It's so interesting to talk about that, by the way, Francis. Mungkin for this one, Francis, I would like to the fluency. Mungkin karena untuk siswa Fisari ya mungkin ya. Tidak perlu sebenarnya terlalu mengutip beberapa kata yang ada di sini atau terkesan membaca urutannya apa saja. Yang penting dengan melihat seperti ini, siswa Fisari mungkin bisa langsung membuatnya menjadi satu kalimat kayak gitu ya, tanpa harus and the second point talking about the characters. Nah, kayak gitu itu sebenarnya nggak perlu seperti itu siswa Fisari. Jadi langsung di-create menjadi satu kalimat yang panjang saja dengan melihat beberapa poin yang ada di sini, seperti itu. And for so far, but you can get the point of that video. Yeah, I appreciate it, Sister Fisari. I really like it. Maybe some insight from me, because it's already the past story. You have to maintain or control the using of. You mentioned can, right? Mungkin beberapa kali Sister Fisari mention tentang penggunaan can. So we have to control it using could. Okay. Atau karena kita kan itu past ya, jadi she could. Or she could learn bla 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 seperti itu. Nah, jadi coba kita can-nya kita, because can talking about the present. Okay? Karena kemampuan, present abilities, Francis. Nah, itu untuk and then so far for telling about that, the point it's really okay, by the way, and I appreciate it, Sari. And then maybe for Suvi, it's a little bit same as well. Jadi sebenarnya kita sebenarnya tidak perlu membaca ya yang ada di sini. Mungkin untuk saya juga di sini, Francis. The problems, the climax, and the resolutions, we can read it later. We can make it clearly as well. Become the one long story that by our understanding, like that. Jadi kita bisa membuat cerita yang panjang dengan pemahaman kita sendiri, Francis. Jadi ini bisa kita jadikan bahan. Maybe because we don't write down all of the points in our paper, jadi agak susah ya. Jadi terkesannya kita menyesuaikan di sini. Jadi mungkin kalau nanti kita ingin membuat sebuah retail kayak gitu, we can write down it into the paper first or into the book, and then we can read all of them. Jadi itu bisa lebih lancar dan bisa menjadi lebih ceritanya lebih runtut kayak gitu ya, Francis. Okay, so far, but it's really okay about your pronunciation as well, Francis. The grammatical range and the accuracy, maybe it's only using try to control because it's already past story. So you have to use the past tense as well. Okay, jadi dan kelancarannya mungkin karena struggle-nya karena ini ceritanya berpart-part atau poin-poin, dan itu yang sedikit mengganggu sebenarnya tadi ya. Kalau kita susun menjadi satu cerita yang panjang, mungkin kita fluensinya bisa lebih. We can be more fluent as well when we teach or retell about the story, by the way, Francis. Ya, mungkin itu saja, Francis, untuk saya dari saya malam ini ya. For the feedback as well, the lexical resource, fluency-nya Francis. The grammaticalnya cuma satu, bahwasannya itu karena past story, we have to use or we have to try to control the past tense using could, terutama karena kan tadi kayaknya banyak mentionnya yaitu berupa bisa, okay? Or kalau mau pakai able berarti was able to, okay? That's not is able to but was able to. Okay, so maybe that's all first about our lessons ya. It's interesting to talk about that, Francis. Menarik juga tadi berbicara tentang itu, bahwasannya kita sudah menonton video bersama-sama ya, kayak gitu ya. So, do you interested or are you interested in watching video and retell something like that? Maybe Sis Novisari or Sis Vivi, or you prefer to talk with the topic?
Yeah, I love to.
Yeah, actually, it's depending on the
Lessons.
yeah, the story.
Yeah. Okay. Tapi
I
sebenarnya
think this is
when I
also a
felt
good
like that,
way.
yeah. Actually, when we run our class like that, yeah, and it's talking about some topics, I just want to make it more active, by the way, so interactive each other. because of what mungkin yang bergerak cuman ada beberapa siswi dan juga siswa Novisari saling menanggapi satu sama lain. Sebenarnya biar itu tujuan saya untuk biar lebih hidup obrolannya teman-teman. Salah satunya karena memang mungkin ada saya kayak gitu ya di room ini kita tidak ke breakout room jadi teman-teman kan mungkin lebih mengandalkan beberapa dari teman-teman oh ya sudah ada proyek kayak gitu jadi kita tinggal tunggu pertanyaannya saja kalau nggak ditanyain ya ngomong kayak gitu kan. But actually when we have a topic for discussions I just wanna make it more interactive by the way. Jadi silahkan Francis ada teman yang ngomong disautin dibecandain kayak gitu. Jadi itu lebih enak nanti sebenarnya ngobrol lebih hidup kayak gitu ya. Dan
Is it
kalau di sini
okay?
hmm?
Is it okay if we sometimes do like that? Because if I want to interrupt, yeah, I think I afraid that I can interrupt somebody here.
We can see the situations as well by the way
Okay.
si Vivi kayak gitu ya. Kita bisa lihat situasinya. Kalau mungkin menjawab seperti itu topik-topiknya nggak terlalu berat atau posisinya kita menjawabnya bukan pertanyaan yang terlalu serius atau nggak formal ya itu it's really okay sebenarnya. You can start with okay, so I'm so sorry for interrupting by the way, Prof Halim or Prof Atta. You talk about it, do you like this one, bla bla bla. Nah, itu nggak apa-apa sebenarnya, biar lebih hidup. Atau teman-teman mau tambahkan bercandaan juga nggak apa-apa sebenarnya. Saya sih yang fleksibel aja teman-teman kayak gitu. Yang penting kan justru obrolan yang lebih hidup nantinya kan teman-teman jadi lebih nyaman untuk ngobrolnya daripada harus menjelaskan dengan panjang lebar tapi tanpa ada kayak kelihatannya serius terus kayak gitu ya teman-teman ya. It's a better by the way. So jadi mungkin untuk beberapa pertemuan nanti mungkin bisa jadi penggiatnya si Sofisari atau si Vivi juga bisa saling menanggapi teman-teman yang lain juga kayak gitu ya ketika berbicara dengan topik yang sudah ada teman-teman yang ditanyakan. Okay. So maybe I think that's all ya. Sis Vivi and Sis Sofisari, thank you for joining by the way and accompany me ya in today's class. Jadi cuma dua we don't know where is the others kayak kita nggak tahu yang mana yang lainnya. So I hope that tomorrow we can meet again and we can get some members who join the class as well, Francis. Hey,
Pertemuan berapa ya ini ya?
ini pertemuan ke-16 sis. Jadi kita punya
16.
lagi kayak gitu ya.
Jadi dimentokin sampai Sabtu ya?
Jadi biar selesai tepat waktu nantinya. Soalnya mau saya taruh di hari Seninnya juga nanggung kayak gitu.
Iya.
Sebenarnya kalau ada 3 kelas pun 3 kelas yang tertunda itu saya berani buat taruh di minggu selanjutnya karena kan nggak nanggung banget. Daripada kayak gitu mending kita ambil di Sabtunya jadi teman-teman bisa sambil daftar. Jika Senin selanjutnya mau langsung mulai jadi bisa seperti itu. Jadi kan nggak perlu nunggu 1 minggunya lagi kayak gitu.
Yeah, Sis Novisari and I already registered for the next level.
Okay, that's very good by the way. Oh, so maybe I would like to ask one questions ya on this one, Francis. Kan sering nongkrong di Discord nih Sis Novisari sama Sis Vivi. Kenal Sis Niken dong berarti? Kenal nggak?
Kenal.
Sis Niken, yeah. Because Sis Niken,
kenal.
she was my members by the way in intermediate one.
Yeah,
Baru
it's
minggu kemarin selesai kayak gitu. Waktu itu memang Sis Niken juga pernah cerita kayak gitu. Dia sering nongkrong di Discord kayak gitu ya. Sorry, juga pernah ngomong kayak gitu bahwasannya saya tahu salah satu membernya di intermediate 3 kayak gitu. Soalnya kita sering nimbrung bareng-bareng di Discord kayak gitu. Siapa sih? I don't know, tapi Sis Niken didn't mention, makanya saya tanya. Ternyata Sis Vivi sama Sis Novisari sering nongkrong di Discord juga kayak
Bro
gitu
Yahya,
Based
on your question, it make me my question also to you. Why
Okay,
you
what is that?
only remind about her?
No, I mean because she is the most interactive members by the way, sis. Kayak yang paling interaktif juga dan ngebantu banget kayak gitu loh, Sis Niken dengan bercandaannya juga saya bercanda dan Sis Niken nyautin jadi lebih hidup aja merasa kebantu kayak gitu di kelas. Dan juga di situ karena mungkin waktu itu juga saya bercandain karena skillnya juga bagus ya, English proficiency ya Sis Niken juga bagus, saya bercandain sis, why don't you join the to be the teacher or to be the tutor of English and a speaking partner kayak gitu. Enggak mau bro, saya cuma pengen jadi student aja kok, saya cuma pengen belajar aja. Padahal mah beliau juga sebenarnya udah bagus banget bahasa Inggrisnya kayak gitu ya. Makanya yang saya ingat juga karena Sis Niken ya itu pernah ngomong sering nongkrong di Discord kayak gitu loh. Nah makanya saya tanyain ke Sis Novisari sama Sis Vivi dan kebetulan kenal sama membernya Bro ya di intermediate 3 Bro kayak gitu. Oke, so jadi sudah
Do you
selesai
know her,
sih.
Sis Vivi?
Halo, Sis Vivi. Kenapa, Sis Novisari?
Yeah,
Sis Vivi, do you know her?
I don't know.
You
Maybe
don't know?
I ever with the same room with her, but I do not know exactly.
Oke.
She is
Kalau Sis
Mikasa.
Novisari tahu ya?
Yeah, I know her. Sis Mikasa.
Oh,
Sis.
Mikasa.
Iya.
Oh, Sis
Oh,
Mikasa.
yeah. I always with her sometimes.
Oke, ya itu.
Oh,
Saya taunya Sis
Mikasa.
Niken sih, Sis
Oh,
Niken.
yeah. He told
Yeah.
about her son also. Yeah, I remember that. When I'm with
Yeah.
Bro Gallo.
Yeah, so
Because
that I asked you
Bro Yahya,
because kenapa?
when we are online in Discord, we always use Unreal name.
Oke.
My
Makanya
nickname
itu
is
tadi
Kiwi.
kalau Sis Siwi, kalau Sis Vivi Siwi.
Vivi.
Oh, Vivi. Oke, ya. Kalau Sis Novisari Onion itu tadi ya.
Onion. Onionnya udah 2 account lagi dia.
Oke. Oke,
Jadi
guys.
yang satu nangkring, yang satu kelas dia.
Oke, ya. Iya, kadang juga sih kan saya pernah dengar kayak gitu kan. Nggak bisa masuk breakout room karena ada masalah. Jadi beliau, gak apa-apa lah bro, saya di sini ngobrol sama bro ya sambil saya juga sebentar lagi mau ngobrol di Discord kayak gitu. Waktu itu pernah ngobrol kayak gitu sih. Jadi, makanya jadi kayak akrab dan suka ngobrol-ngobrol juga percandaannya kalau saya bikin contoh kayak gitu sih. Kemudian saya kayak bikin lucu-lucuan si Siken nambah-nambahin kayak gitu. Jadi yang lain
Yeah,
ikut
bro.
ketawa kayak gitu.
Yeah, I usually make